Correct bank balance in the statement of financial position. Your cash book at 31 December 20X5 shows a bank balance of $2,260 overdrawn. On comparing this with your bank statement at the same date, you discover the following. 1. A check for $228 drawn by you on 25 December 20X5 has not yet been presented for payment. 2. A check for $368 from a customer, which was paid into the bank on 23 December 20X5, has been dishonored on 31 December 2025. What is the correct bank balance to be shown in the statement of financial position at 31 December 20X5? Answer. Correct bank balance. $2,260 O over D minus $368 dishonored check equals $2,628 O over D.